kissing my sleepy face. Coconut trees sway with island grace. Barefoot steps on the sandy ground. No rush, no race, just the ocean sound. Jamaican way. Smoke curls up like a whispered dream. River runs cool like a silver stream. Laugh over fresh cut fruit. Every moment feels like homegrown truth. Oh, oh, the sky so wide. Oh, the breeze so sweet. Feel the rhythm rise from my heartbeat. Simple life under the golden ray. Jamaican way. Stars at night, they tell no lies. Love shines brighter than fireflies. What we have is what we need. Life is rich when the soul is free. Jamaican way. There's whispers, the ocean hum, a rhythm song where the heart comes from. Breathe it in, let the weight unwind. The world still spins, leave the rush behind. Easy breeze, flow with me like the tide, like the tree. Let it go, set it free. Easy breeze, flow with me. Clouds drift slow, they've got no rays. The sky wears calm, no need to chase. The earth's been steady, no rush, no fight. Why hold tight when it feels so light? Easy breeze, flow with me like the tide, like the tree. Let it go, set it free. Easy breeze, flow with me. Stress is a shadow, let it fade. Life's a rhythm, we're all self-made. Dance in the sun, let your worries go. Feel the balance, let the good vibes show. Easy breeze, flow with me like the tide, like the tree. Let it go, set it free. Easy breeze, flow with me. Flow with me. The sun is lazy, sinking low. Palm trees sway, they steal the show. Laughter rolls like waves on sand, coconut water in my hand. We vibe, we glide under the sky so wide. No rush, no plans, just ties and tan lines. Friends by the fire, shells, a toast to the moon. The waves hum a melody, nature's tune. Time melts away, it's all we need. Just the rhythm of life and the ocean's creep. Sunlit dune under the Jamaican sun. I feel free. The world's a melody. It sings to me. Love's in the air. It's wild. It's sweet. Under the Jamaican sun, life's complete. Every cloud's a sigh. No clock, no rush, just the ocean's call. In this silent rhythm, I've got it all. No chains, no walls, just open skies. Freedom's a feeling, it never lies. Under the Jamaican sun, in the air, it's wild, it's sweet. Under the Jamaican sun, life's complete. Life's complete. Let the sun paint my soul in gold. Let the moon take my dreams and hold. Every star's a promise, every wave's a kiss. Moments like these I won't miss. Under the Jamaican sun, I feel free. The world's a melody. got my feet on the sand, my head in the breeze, chasing horizons wherever they please. No maps, no plans, just the sun as my guide. The world is my rhythm and I'm along for the ride. Winds of the world carry me far, under the moon, under the stars. No chains, no walls, no turning back. I'm living my life on a one-way track. The ocean, it whispers, come dance on my waves. The mountains, they echo the courage it gave. Freedom's a bird, and I've got open skies. No regrets in my heart, just the truth in my eyes. Every road I take, every move I make, it's a story I write with no mistakes. Winds of the world carry me far, under the moon, under the stars. No chains, no walls, no turning back. I'm living my life on a one-way track. Oh, the past, it can stay in the shadowy night. I'll keep chasing the sun till it fades out of sight. Every step, every leap, every laugh, every fall, it's all part of the rhythm. I answer the call. Winds of the world carry me far, under the moon, under the stars. No chains, no walls, no turning back. I'm living my life on a one-way track. I see the moon wink at the ocean tide. Stars are whispering, they say don't hide. Every shadow's just a place for light to grow. Feet in the sand, my heart says go. I hear the rhythm calling me. It's in the breeze, it's in the sea. Chasing the sun, chasing the fire, higher and higher, chasing desire. No matter the storm, no matter the fight, I'll chase the sun. I'll find my light. I'll find my light. Dreams are seeds, they need a little rain. They break the ground, they push through pain. Every stumble is a dance we learn to move. Every heartbeat keeps the groove. chasing the fire, higher and higher, chasing desire. No matter the storm, no matter the fight, I'll chase the sun. Chasing the sun, chasing the fire, higher and higher, chasing desire. No matter the storm, no matter the fight, I'll chase the sun. Like the ocean wide, carry me home on the rising tide. Oh, I remember where I'm from. Roots run deep where the earth feels warm, holding me tight through the fiercest storm. Oh, I remember where I'm from. Dusty dusty roads in the morning sun, laughing loud when the day's begun. These memories don't fade. A little house with a crooked door, a porch that creaks but it held much more. Love was always made. Roots run deep like the ocean wide, carry me home on the rising tide. Oh, I remember where I'm from. Roots run deep where the earth feels warm, holding me tight through the fiercest storm. Oh, I remember where I'm from. Like the ocean wide, carry me home on the rising tide. Oh, I remember where I'm from. Roots run deep where the earth feels warm, holding me tight through the fiercest storm. Oh, I remember where I'm from. The sun dips low behind the trees. Your love rolls in like ocean breeze. Soft whispers carry through the air. No worries now, no burdens to bear. Oh, healing love, it sets me free. It mends my heart, it lets me be. My heart feels safe and pure. No storm can shake, no night can break the peace you give, the calm you make. Oh, healing love, it sets me free. It mends my heart, it lets me be. Oh, healing love, it shines so bright, guides my soul through the darkest night. It's like a melody, smooth and true. Every chord sings a song of you. A quiet fire, a gentle flame, burns through the pain, erases shame. The clock keeps ticking, but I don't mind. I sip my tea while the world unwinds. The breeze whispers stories to the trees. Why rush the tide? Why chase the sun? The day's not over, it's just begun. Slow down the sunshine, let it stay. Hold on to this feeling, don't drift away. One moment, one heartbeat, one ray of light. Slow down the sunshine, make it bright. The waves kiss the shore in their own time. No need to run, no need to climb. The sand remembers every step we take. The stars don't hurry, they glow so free. The moon just dances on the sea. The sky can wait, and so can we. Slow down the sunshine, let it stay. Hold on to this feeling, don't drift away. One moment, one heartbeat, one ray of light. Slow down the sunshine, make it bright. sun dips low. Time forgets to go, and we just flow. You're my natural love, like the ocean tide. Pull me in, then let me glide. No force, no fight, just you and I. Natural love, like the ocean tide.
Whoa, whoa. Chains of gold, they weigh you down in a kingdom made of shiny crowns, but the air is free, the sky is wide, leave the greed, feel the tide, let it all go, let it all go. No diamonds, no throne, just your soul to show. Let it all go, let it all go. Feel the rhythm, let the good vibes flow. Yeah. Stacked up bills, a house of sand, slip through fingers, can't understand, but the ocean calls, its song is sweet, barefoot dreams on the earth beneath. They say you need it, they say it's key, but love and laughter, they come for free. They say you need it, they say it's key, but love and laughter, they come for free. Let it all go, let it all go. No diamonds, no throne, just your soul to show. Let it all go, let it all go. Feel the rhythm, let the good vibes flow. What's the worth of a golden chain if it's tied to a world of pain? Cut it loose, let your spirit rise, dance with the sun, paint the sky. Oh, oh, oh,
crescent moon. Feel the bass, it thumps like this. Every beat's a gentle kiss. Sun dips low, whispers to the sea. Palms sway soft like they're calling me. Shadows stretch, but they never rest. This is my time, my sacred space. Golden harmony. Feel the rhythm, set me free. Balance rising like the tide. Peace and love where I reside. Clouds drift slow, painting skies in gold. Heartbeat steady, not bought or sold. Feet on the sand, roots in the ground. The world spins quiet, no need for sound. Breathe in deep, let it flow. Feel the glow, feel it grow. Golden hour, harmony. Feel the rhythm, set me free. Balance rising like the tide. Peace and love where I reside. Every wave is a lesson, every breeze a confession. Let it come, let it go. The sunset knows what I don't know. Lanterns swinging low, they light the way. A maze of colors where the spices play. Chatter in the air, it's a sweet ballet. Midnight feast, the flavors collide. Sweet and spicy, the world's open wide. Laughter's the soulful tune. Every bite's a story, every plate's a boon. Tell me, how do they make it so bright? A world of wonders under the night. Midnight feast, the flavors collide. Sweet and spicy, the world's open wide. Laughter's the sauce, it's where we reside. Skillers of dreams, fried whispers of gold. Soup that's as warm as a tale being told. The night market's magic, it never gets old. The clouds hang low, the rain won't stop. My heart feels heavy like a stone, it drops. But roots run deep when the wind gets rough. I bend, I swear, but I'm strong enough. I rise like the sun, I rise through the storm, through the cries. When the night is long and the dark is thick, I rise like the sun, I rise so quick. The road is cracked, the path is steep. The mountain laughs, it looks so deep. But step by step I climb, I go. The higher I get, the more I glow. The fire burns, but it lights my way. The ashes fall, but I'm here to stay. I rise like the sun, I rise through the storm, through the cries. When the night is long and the dark is thick, I rise like the sun, I rise so quick. They say the struggle makes you whole, pressure makes diamonds out of coal. I've been broken